Hello everyone. This video is about addressing modes of ARM7. So first is, what is addressing mode? The manner in which operands are specified in instruction is called as addressing mode. So one is opcode and one is operand. So each instruction is having an opcode and operand. Opcode are various instructions performed on operands. So these opcodes are instructions. Operand is data on which this opcode is performed. So this operand will be data which can be accessed from the memory. So first addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. In immediate addressing mode, data is given in instruction. So we take the example of immediate addressing mode. Move hash 45H. So this move is the opcode and this part register to hash 45 is the operand. So if we see, this hash indicates the value. If this hash is not given, then 45H will be memory location. 45H means this value is given in hexadecimal. We take the another example. Add R0, R1 to hash 45H. So this means the 45 value will be added to the register R1 and the result will be stored in the register itself. Whereas in 8051 the result was stored in the accumulator. Next addressing mode is register addressing mode. Example is given. In register addressing mode, the content of one register will be moved to the another register. So here the content of register R1 will be moved to the register R0. Here all the operation is performed on the register directly. Another example is here the content of R1 is added to R2 and the result is stored in the register R0. So third is direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, memory address is given in instruction. Example, LDR R0. So address is given. So this LDR is used as a load. This means the content of this memory location where the address will be directly mentioned in the instruction. So content of this address will be loaded into the register. Other example, STR R0 address. So STR means store. So content of this register R0 will be stored to the memory location. This memory location is defined by this address. So address is directly given in this addressing mode. So if I consider in instruction, this is opcode and this is operand. And here we consider the memory. So if I consider this location, so in direct addressing mode, operand is given by this location where address will be directly mentioned. So the data from this memory location will be transferred to the register R0. So in first example, LDR R0 address, the data from this memory location will be loaded to the register R0. Next is indirect addressing mode. In indirect addressing mode, address is not directly defined in the instruction. So address will be given by the operand value or register. Example, here the content of the memory location of register R1 will be loaded to the register R0. In second example, the content of register R0 will be loaded to the memory location defined by the register R1. So directly address is not mentioned. So address is given by the register itself. Next is register relative addressing mode. In this addressing mode, address is given by register plus some displacement value. So here are different parts of register relative addressing mode. First part is normal register relative addressing mode. So example we take So in this example, this 08 is given by the displacement value. So the memory location of register R1 will be added to the value 08 and the result and the content of resultant location will be moved to the register R0. In this example, R1 will be added to the 08 and the result will be moved to the register R0. If we take R1 is at location 3000H. So the memory location R1 will be added to the 08 and its content will be moved to the R0. So R1 is 3000 plus 08 will be moved to the register R0. So this means the content of 3008 memory location will be moved to the register R0. Once the content of this memory location will be loaded to the register R0, the location of register R1 will not be changed. Second part is pre-index register relative mode. Example we take LDR. Same example we are taking as before, but in this case we are using this exclamation sign. So this means the content the value 08 will be added to the memory location R1 and the content of this resultant location will be loaded to the register R0. So as we have taken, we consider R1 is at location 3000. So the resultant location will be 3008 will be loaded to the register R0. So here R1 plus 08, content of this memory location will be moved to the register R0. So after this displacement value is added to the register R1, its value will be 3008. So the content of memory location 3008 will be moved to the register R0. So in pre-indexing, first the pre-indexing is done, then the data will be loaded to the R0. So here the value location of the R1 will be changed to the location 3008. In case of normal register relative addressing mode, the value of R1 was not changed. So new location is given by the displacement value. So first the R1 is incremented and then data is moved. Third mode is post-index register relative mode. Example, LDR R0 R1 hash. So in this case, if we see, the content of register R1 will be first loaded to the register R0. After this action takes place, the location of R1 will be added to the displacement value 08. So after the operation, R1 will be changed to new location. Like we have taken the example, if we take the value of R1, R1 is at 3000 location. So the content of 3000 location will be moved to the register R0. After this operation, the R1, the pointer of this R1 register will be moved to the 3008. Base indexed addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the new location will be defined by the sum of registers. This addressing mode is also of three types as the relative register. So first mode is normal base indexed addressing mode. Example, this base indexed addressing mode, the content of sum of register R1 and R2 memory location will be moved to the register R0. Example, if R1 is at 3000 location and R2 is at 25 location, so the sum of an R1 and R2 location will be moved to the register R0. Here, so the content of 3025 memory location will be moved to the register R0. In normal base addressing mode, after this action, the memory location of R1 register is not changed. Second part of base indexed, pre-indexing. Likewise, register relative mode. R1 is added to the R2 and the content of new location will be moved to the register R0. So first the pre-indexing is done. The pointer will be moved to the new location. Then data will be moved from new location to the register R0. So as we have taken previous example, so now R1 will be changed to the new location 3008. So third mode is post-indexing mode. Example. So in this case, the content of register R1 given by the memory location will be moved to the register R0. After this action, R1 will be changed to the new location given by the register R2. Next is base width scale index addressing mode. In this case, scaling on the base registers is done with logical operators. So first type is, again there are three types of base with scale indexing. So first type we are taking normal base with scale indexing. Example, LDR R0, R1, R2, LSL hash 3. This LS is defined as logical shift left. So this example is given as here the content of register R2 will be shifted left by 3 and then it will be added to the register R1 and its content will be moved to the register R0. In this mode, again the value of R1 will not change. Second part is pre-index base with scale index addressing mode. Example, LDR R0, R1, R2, LSL hash 3 and likewise before we are using exclamation sign here. So this means what? First the scaling is done. Rescaling means first the scaling is done. The content of R2 is shifted left by 3 value and then these two register locations will be added. The content of new location will be loaded to the register R0. So here R1 will be changed. Third part is post index base width scale index addressing mode. So again, example, LDR R0 R1 R2 change to logically shift #3. Here the content of register R1 will be loaded to R0. Once this action is done, R1 will be changed to the new location R1 plus R2 shifted we have studied 7 addressing modes of ARM7. First we have studied immediate. In immediate addressing mode, direct data is given in the instruction itself. Second, we have studied register addressing mode, in which the content from directly register is moved to another register. Third, we have studied the direct addressing mode, in which the directly address in the form of operand is mentioned. Fourth, we have studied indirect addressing mode. In this, the address is given by the register. Then fifth, we have studied register relative addressing mode. In this, the register new location will be incremented by the displacement value and the content is moved to the new location. Then we have studied base indexed addressing mode. In base indexed addressing mode, the address is given by the sum of registers. And then we have studied base with scale indexed addressing mode. In this, the new location is formed by the logically shift operators and data is moved from one register to another register. So here the scaling is done by logical operators only. So thus we have studied all the addressing modes of ARM7. In my next videos we will be studying all the instructions in detail. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.